Hi everybody and welcome to this walkthrough video about controls and game mechanics. I'm Julian and I'm going to show you how Son of Nor works in detail. So let's take a look at this rock here, and as you know, telekinesis can be used to pick stuff up and then you can move it around. But the mass determines how fast you can do that, and also if you throw the object, it strongly depends on it. So heavy objects won't fly that far as small and light ones. So if you take for instance the smaller rock over here, which is about medium in weight, you can move it around much faster, and also if you throw it, it will gain a lot more speed. And that of course has an impact on the damage it deals. So for instance, a very fast small rock will do less damage than a big rock which is very fast already. So the best thing you can do is basically have a super huge rock which is super fast. Of course you can also let objects levitate in the air. For that, instead of hitting the right mouse button once, which would actually drop the object, you just double hit it. Then it stays firmly in the air without rotating around, so you can step safely onto it. Of course your telekinetic abilities have a limited range. For instance, you cannot pick up an object which is too far away. Or for instance, if you let something levitate in place and then move out of its range, it will fall down again. This allows you, for instance, to create some pretty neat traps. Just move almost out of the range and then wait for it, move just a little bit further. Of course, this works also for carrots. But there are even more cool things you can do with telekinesis. For instance, you can right click for a long time to shoot the object straight down, or you can hit the shift button to raise all the objects around yourself and shoot them one by one. Or this experimental feature, which is basically a shockwave to make enemies lose their balance. But enough for telekinesis, let's move to terraforming. Left click on sand to terraform up, and right click to terraform down. What you might even know is that you can immobilize enemies by terraforming beneath them. But what you certainly do not know is that you can lift extremely heavy objects that you can't even move with telekinesis by doing this. This can be used to break massive barriers or to remove huge boulders blocking entrances. There's still lots of applications for terraforming, but now let's move on to magic. As you know, you can absorb an element by right-clicking on it, and then you have 3 charges of it at your disposal, which means you can use it 3 times, then it's gone again. To use an element, just press E. And as I explained in the co-op video, you can also combine different elements together. So if you're very fast and you're standing right next to an elemental source, you're able to create a combined spell on your own. And of course, let's not forget about the object enhancements. Just press E while you are in telekinetic mode. So this was it. I think you got a pretty good impression about your abilities as a mage in Son of Nor. And I hope you tell all your friends about our ongoing Kickstarter campaign, and certainly hope to see you next time. Bye!